you started prompting in Midjourney, you definitely realized its power to generate graphical assets. I have been using it for less than 2 months and found it amazingly helpful to create my printable listings. Hello everyone. In this video, you will see some Midjourney t-shirt design prompts in 5 different styles. You can use these prompts to create graphical assets for the niches you like to work for. However, the prompts will be shown on the screen, but if you click the link in the description, you will be directed to a web page where you can get all the prompts in text format. You can copy and paste these prompts to Midjourney to create your own artwork. The first prompt style I applied is the electric Dreamscape. It's a very popular style you will see in the Midjourney community feed. This style will give you dreamy graphical elements with vibrant colors that you can vectorize easily. You can play around with different postures by changing the first line of the prompts. The second prompt style will be the simplest one of the list. Just type the word cartoon, then type your topic, and then type isolated on a white background. And that's it. You will get to see some great artworks created by Midjourney. It works very well for t-shirt design and digital downloads. You will get a clear outline with an easy removable background. The third style I applied is watercolor with paint splatter. I believe you are a bit familiar with this style. I saw many people playing around with this prompt in the community feed, but the little tweak I added here is the paint splatter. Just add this word to your prompt and then see the magic. You will get to see some magnificent artwork with amazing paint splatter effect. The fourth prompt style will give you a doodle themed t-shirt design style. Doodling is known as the art of subconscious mind. And the cool thing is, it doesn't need to be perfect. And that's why it's very popular among the teenagers and even adults. The fifth style is quite similar to the doodle style. Just add the word Kawaii instead of doodle. You'll get to see some cute graphical artwork. Though it looks childish, it works surprisingly well for the adult niches like doodle. If you are testing your niche with similar variations, you should try this style. So that was all I need to show you. The link in the description will lead you to a web page where you will get all these prompts in text format. Keep creating and keep enjoying. If you want to learn more about Midjourney prompting, please see the other videos of this channel. Thanks for watching.